From your dashboard, you can click into Groups. Groups is a key feature of social and allows us to create either topic or interest-based groups, which will allow you to interact with users with similar interests, share ideas, share documents, organise meetings. We have quite a few groups that have been created either by the SGSSS team or by users. You can create groups yourself and you can invite users to join them if you feel there's people out there that would benefit from the group you've created. Again, we can view these groups, we can search them, view in a grid view, have a quick overview of the groups that we have. If you're a ESRC funded student, you can join one of the hub groups or the pathway groups. You can see how active or busy these are based on how many members are contributing to that group. If we choose one, let's go with disability studies. We can either choose to join this group. If it is publicly available, we can go in and have a look around without actually joining it. If it's a private group, you will need to request access. But from here you can see the group feed, so what's been happening, who's joined. You can have a look at the members. This might be a good way just to find other users within your research interests. You can go to the forums to see if there's been any discussions. So here we've got some introduce yourself topics going on. We can click on documents to see if anything's been uploaded, which from here there isn't, but if you wanted to share a paper that you found, for example, you can do that here if you're a member of the group. And then we have a photo section, so again it's like documents, but specifically for any photos you might want to share. Groups are a great way to interact with other users. I highly recommend that you join a few, and if there's anything missing, you can create a group.